Welcome to the GBE Cars and Bikes Mechanics Project, a global initiative run by members all over the world. The GBE Cars and Bikes Mechanics Project is a strategic movement to launch and scale automotive ecosystems that are owned and operated by our community. We are building the infrastructure for professional repair garages, diagnostics centers, and parts distribution networks that create jobs and long-term financial growth for every member involved. We are here to help you build your business and find more customers for your services. We promote your expertise in your garage throughout our entire global association, providing the tools you need to earn more money and create a second income. This network provides the professional links and high-level project opportunities you need to scale your automotive brand. Go to joingbe.com and select the Diaspora Business Association nearest to the region where you live. Create your account and select a project. That's it. Now as a member, you can network with professionals in your industry, monitor the project feed, and by completing small tasks from the blueprint, you acquire points. Skilled hands keep the world moving, but ownership drives the future. Join us and build a global automotive empire. Go to joingbe.com.